What's up, guys? I'm Chris Duke. Thanks for checking me out. It's been a little busy. I got some family here from Jersey, so what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna polish my headlights. These look very yellow. They look worse on camera actually, but they look pretty yellow in person. But even if you look at the clear side marker, you can see how much clearer and cleaner it looks than the headlight does. Other side's about the same. Do a little bit by hand with this. Here's where we're at. Hit it with the Scratch X first. Then I hit it with some Ultimate Compound. Then we went with the, where is it? This Blue Magic Headlight Restorer by hand. And then I hit a combination of that Blue Magic with the plastics. Well, I hit the plastics before, I think, and then the blue one. But anyway, this is where we're at. I did a little bit of polish, work with the polisher and some by hand. guys, what's going on? So it's a new day. I took a hard stop yesterday, had some other stuff going on, and then I took a look at the headlights again today, and I wasn't happy where we were. So what I did was didn't do anything with this one yet, but on this one I did a little more work. So I have wet sanded these before in the past. I didn't feel like doing all that, but this time I said, well, let's do a little bit of wet sanding. So I used a little bit of, I didn't go all the way to 80 grit. You can start from 80 grit and kind of work your way up. I started at 2000. We did a lot of work on it yesterday, and I said, okay, let's start from 2000. I did 2000. I did some 3000, and then I did some 5000. And then after that, I went over it again with this polish, using the polisher. The polisher I have is the DeWalt. Anyway, the model number is DWP849X. So the pad I have in there is probably not the best pad for this, but it's the only one I have right now, and I didn't feel like running out anywhere. But you could use like the foam type pads, and they're probably a little better for what I'm doing, but this is probably fine. So now that I've gotten it to this stage, I'm pretty happy with that. So I'm going to do the same thing I did over here on the other headlight, and then when I'm done with that, I've got the ceramic coating kit over here, and I'll get each of them ceramic coated. Alright guys, so I just did the passenger side headlight. So just around real quick. So I just hit this with 2000, 3000, and 5000. And I failed to mention on the other headlight what I did after that was I hit it again with this power metal that I hit it with yesterday. Obviously this is for aluminum wheels. I think I saw a video by somebody, I wish I could remember who said they were good for headlights, and actually tried it in the past and it was pretty good, so I'm using it again. So what I'm going to do is hit it with this, then I'm going to hit it with this polish, and both of those I'm doing with the polisher. And all the sanding I did by hand with just with a block and whatever sandpaper. So anyway, I'm going to do the power metal, and I'm going to do the polish, and then I'll probably do the ceramic coating right after that. Alright guys, so I hit both headlights, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to do the ceramic coating. So basically this is Color and Drive, it's called, that's the brand. It's 9H ceramic coating. So first you put the pre-treatment on, spray this on, then you put a little bit of this solution on the pad they give you. You wait a couple minutes. They give you a microfiber, and you wet the microfiber a little bit with some water, wipe it off, and then you hit it with this cloth to finish it off.